Hello and welcome to Slow English Podcast. In this video, I'm gonna speak about trip and traveling, one of the best hobby in the world. Do you agree with me? If you have a lot of money, you can have a plan to travel every year. I think everyone should start traveling with the cities in their countries, not abroad, not other countries. We have different kinds of trip. One of them is traveling to different cities in our own country, and another one is traveling to abroad. When you want to travel to different cities around your own city, I think you can go by your own car because you are free. You can go anywhere that you want. You can do everything that you want. You can choose to go on a trip with a tour. Sometimes going to different locations and places need a tour leader or tour guide, especially in the nature or small villages. It's better to go with a local person, a person who knows everywhere, because traveling alone to some of the cities, it can be dangerous. So it's better to choose a local person to guide you. I prefer to go on a trip with just some people in my life, not everyone. I think it's so important who is near you on your trip. You have to know what kind of personality that person has. For instance, if you go on a trip with a moody person, you cannot have fun. You need someone to be funny, to be kind, to be patient at the beginning of your trip. You should notice everything. You should speak about money, the time, the plan. So, if you want to travel in your country, try different places. Try the local people's house. They are so hospitable. They are so kind. You can go there and try local and traditional food. I think eating food on a trip is one of the best part in traveling. But you should splurge on your budget. Splurge on your budget. It means that you should know how much do you want to spend. You should splurge on your budget and don't spend too much money. You should have money management. I think if you like traveling, don't spend your money on shopping. Because I know the women like shopping so much. Go shopping, but don't spend all of your money on shopping. Because sometimes you can buy some of the things in your own city as well. And the next one is traveling abroad. Traveling to other countries is a little different because you need more money, you need passport, visa, you have to know a lot of rules about that country. You should take care about their culture before traveling. It's better to read about their cultures and customs. However, a lot of people don't do this. I know. Traveling to other countries is a little harder. Maybe you would have problem with their language. If you don't know their language, it's so hard for you to make connection with people. You can travel by your own or try different tours. We have different tours for abroad that you can use them. They choose the hotel for you, they choose the plane, the flight, everything. And it's easier for the people to travel by tour because everything is ready. If you don't know any languages, if you don't know English, of course, someone is near you to help you. On the other hand, some people are afraid of traveling by plane. What do? Nothing. Really nothing. They should accept their fear and travel by plane, or otherwise they never travel. We have different kinds of traveling, like backpacking. Do you know what is backpacking? It's a very interesting and exciting trip. Backpack, it's a kind of bag, big bag, that you can put all of your stuffs in your bag. There are some people that have just one backpack and all of their stuffs are in that. And they travel by nothing. They don't buy any ticket, they don't book any places. Just they go and stand near the road and shake their hands to stop some cars and take them to another city for free. They try not to spend a lot of money because they are not rich. Most of them don't have a lot of money. Just they want to visit different parts of their countries or get different experiences. They wouldn't like to have luxury trip. Just they want to see different places, to see and talk to different people. Just they want to enjoy. And it's a little hard and difficult, I know. And in different cities and countries, there are some local people that give their house to these people, to these travelers, for free. It's so amazing. But, however, it's a little dangerous, especially for women. They cannot trust everyone. But it's an exciting experience. Really, I don't like to try it, but I like it. We have another trip that we call it walking tour. For example, you can take a tour that we call it walking tour, as I said. You can walk with a group of people to the different locations, like nature, jungle, historical places. And by walking, some tour leader describes and explains everything for you about that location, about that building. And every time you are walking. I'm not okay with that because I cannot walk for a long time. Really, honestly, I cannot. But if it would be short walking, I can accept it. Tell me in comments, do you like traveling and where did you go? I will read all of your comments, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel if it's your first time to watch me. So come back to our topic. Traveling is not easy decision because it needs a lot of things. At first, you should have free time. Next, you must have money. Third, you should know where do you want to go. And it's so important that what kind of trip would you like? It depends on you. Is there anyone in the world that doesn't like traveling? I don't know really. I don't think so. We have another sort of trip that is so different. We call it eco trip or eco tour trip. Eco means ecosystem. It's about the nature. It means that you trip to the nature without hurting that place, without hurting the jungle, without getting that place dirty. It is good for the nature lovers, not everyone. And beside it, we have camping trip. That is wonderful. I love it. Camping trip is so different from the trip that you stay in a hotel, because you have to go in different places in the nature, like jungle, near the sea, beach, desert. And you should use the tent. You should make food yourself. You should make a fire, and everything is on your own. And I think it's amazing. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, I suggest you to try. But don't forget to go on camping trip in a good weather and check the weather before you go. And don't go far away from the cities. Maybe you don't have enough experience and you would be lost. So, if I want to speak about travel, I can speak for 2 hours, really, because this is my favorite hobby. And as a 31-year-old woman, I've traveled to different cities and countries a lot, and I have started my trips from my country, because my country has a lot of beautiful cities. I live in Iran, in beautiful Iran. Iran is amazing, and so every year I can travel to different parts of it. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. I'd be happy to see your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you everyone in the next podcast.